Boys varsity, 400-meter relay underway. Pioneer Valley, Baghetti, setting in a challenging. There you go, Cody.
We also have the girls cross soft 400 report to the award center. Girls cross soft.
Santa Barbara and Carpinteria saying no thank you to the stagger.
All right, Matt. Woo! Is that Ian? Let's go, Ian. Right here, buddy.
This is going to be a great one. The fate of Sandy Nez and Pioneer Valley's on the line. Here they come, San Marcos, Santa Barbara, Carpinteria, Dos Cabos, Pioneer Valley, Cabrillo, and Sandy Nez. Carpinteria looking to run to the break. Take that pole position, which is so hard to rest.
It's my son. We got a root for him.
Oh, no, sorry. I was saying because we're losing.
Let's go, Elijah! Where are you guys from? DP. My sister was a DP. Move it up, Elijah!
I don't care who you are, what you believe in. This is great track and field. San Marcos looking to challenge Carpinteria on the outside. Carpinteria saying no, not today. Your host, Carpinteria, into the exchange with Dos Cabos, San Marcos, Pioneer Valley, Santa Barbara, San Ynez, and Cabrillo.
Hey, 52-8.
Watch these athletes fight on that backstretch. The crucial time is right now. Who's going to take that outside lane? And who's going to get the precious inside space? We're seeing a reshuffling.
Warriors!
San Marcos and Dos Cabos come in 1-2. Santa Barbara challenging for third. Make some noise! Great rivalry between San Marcos and Dos Cabos.
Warriors! You can do it! You can do it! Let's go, Isaac!
Don't forget, San Ynez and Pioneer Valley are fighting for the championship for second place in the boys varsity team score.
That's what makes it good.
There he goes on the outside. Bring out the fire, folks. It's DP and San Marcos. Dos Cabos, San Marcos, Santa Barbara, San Ynez, Pioneer Valley, your host, Carpinteria. Here comes Cabrillo.